All right, I'm gonna try and summon it from the depths. What's up, you freaking geniuses? So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to find the radius or diameter of a sphere when you're given the surface area. All right, so let's start with this first one right here. So this one just says, find the radius of a sphere with a surface area of 1024 pi square inches. All right, so in order to solve this, you wanna use the formula for the surface area of a sphere, which is just the surface area, is equal to 4 pi times the radius squared, all right? Now here, let's just plug in what we know, what we're given. So first of all, it gives us the surface area, right? It says it's 1024 pi. So we're gonna say 1024 pi is equal to this side, 4 pi times the radius squared, which we don't know what the radius is, right? That's what we're looking for. So let's just leave that as the radius squared, okay? So here we're trying to solve for r, so we want to try and isolate it. So the first thing we can do is get rid of this 4 pi by dividing both sides by 4 pi. On this side, the 4 pi's cancel out, and we're left with just r squared, and that's equal to this side. And here, let's see, these pi's, they kill each other too, and we're left with 1024 divided by 4, which is equal to 256, all right? Now, in order to finally solve for r, we need to get rid of this exponent, the 2, and you can kindly ask it to leave. It probably won't do that though. So in order to get rid of it, we need to take the square root of both sides, all right? So then on this side, the radical, the square root, and the squared exponent cancel out, and all we're left with is r is equal to the square root of 256, which is equal to 16. Okay, and don't forget your units. Here we're working with, it looks like inches, right? So the radius of the sphere is 16 inches. Boom. All right, here's the last example we're gonna go over. So this one says, find the diameter of a sphere with a surface area of 900 pi square meters, okay? So again, we're gonna use the exact same formula. So we're gonna say that the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi times the radius squared. So again, let's just plug in what we know. So the first thing it tells us right here is that the surface area is 900 pi. So let's plug that in for the surface area. So here we're gonna get that 900 pi, that's a lot of pi's, is equal to 4 pi times r squared, all right, times r squared. Now in order to solve for r again, the first thing we can do is get rid of this 4 pi from both sides, all right? These kill each other, boom, boom, and we're left with just r squared on this side, and that's equal to, on this side, these guys kill each other, and 900 divided by 4, which is equal to 225, all right? So again, to solve for r and get rid of this exponent, we can take the square root of both sides, and on this side, those cancel out, and we're simply left with r is equal to the square root of 225, which is equal to 15, all right? So that's the radius of this sphere, but remember the problem asked for the diameter, and the diameter is just twice as big as the radius. So here we could just multiply 15 times 2, which is equal to, and we'll say it over here, the diameter is equal to 30. And don't forget your units, because your teacher's gonna get mad. Meters. All right, so the diameter is equal to 30 meters. Boom. So if you found the video helpful, make sure to leave a thumbs up down below. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below.